Now, sometimes you're going to import from one Access database to another. Maybe you want to make a copy of the data, okay? Maybe for testing purposes or something like that. So this time we're just going to go from one Access database to another. I'm going to pick on external data, and we're going to pick on Access. So at this point we can either import or link. If we import, then you'll have two copies of that data, one in one Access database and one in the other. And if you change one, it will not change the other. However, if you pick on link, then if you change one, it will change the other database at the same time. They'll be linked together electronically. So if you just want to copy, then do an import. But if you actually want to do real-time updates, then do a link. Now we're going to pick on browse. And then I have this Access database that happens to have the name of tables. Alright, so I'm going to pick on tables. Then we're going to click on OK. Now, from that Access database, we can actually import the tables, queries, forms, reports, macros, and modules, or any combination thereof. So in this database, we have our tables. We can pick one, we can pick more than one. If you wanted to do all tables, we're going to do select all. So I'll actually get all of those tables except lesson 11A. Maybe I don't want to choose that one, but I would like to get all of those other tables. Now if you also want to do queries or forms or reports, we can get that from the other database as well. In this case, I'll just get the tables for right now. Maybe we'll do those other ones in a different lesson. But I'll click on OK. And now it imported all of those tables into our current database. Actually made a copy of those. Now if you think that's something that you're going to repeat on a regular basis, we can save the import steps and we would give that a name. That way the next time we run that, we could just run the import step and we can complete that in one or two clicks. It just basically recorded everything that we just did. So we'll save the import. And now if you notice, our database has many more tables than we did before, and we're going to use those tables in our coming examples for queries and things like that. But if I pick on external data, of course we have Access and Excel and text files and ODBCs and DBase, and we can import from many different data types. But if I want to rewind that one, I'm going to pick on Saved Imports. And then these are ones that we did for Excel and text files, and then you could just run those again, and it makes it very easy for you with these import steps. But anyway, that's how we go. That's how we can copy data from one Access database to another.